So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama? Well, today we are going to walk through a really nice 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in Ocean's Edge Subdivision. This is a very small, very quiet, private subdivision directly on the Gulf. This house has deeded beach access going to 300 feet of sugar white sand here in our beautiful Orange Beach. Community pool, and it is the only 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom in this subdivision. It's brand spanking new, just got furnished. 1,854 square feet, $1,680,000. But wait till you see how custom, how nice this house is. Absolutely gorgeous finishes, incredibly well done. You are definitely going to want to check this one out. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to live here, vacation here, and own property here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We'll get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to walk through this brand new, only one in this subdivision that has this floor plan. You can see these ones right behind me. These are really, really cute as well. They're 3-bedroom, 3-baths. You know, here's the beach behind us. Now these Gulf front ones are 6 and 7 bedrooms, and they're on up there about $4 million. These here, fraction of the cost, 1.3, and we're getting ready to walk into the only 4-bedroom that is a little over 1.6. So come on and take a look with us. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise mornings to those sweet southern nights. And welcome to paradise where the waves meet the shore. Every day's an adventure, who could ask for more? We're living the beach life, let us show you around. In Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, where your dreams are found. Got a cold drink waiting and a smile to spare. If you're dreaming of sunshine, we'll take you there. From condos to cottages, we'll find your retreat. Let us guide you to a life that's oh so sweet. And welcome to paradise where the waves meet the shore. Every day's an adventure, who could ask? Come on in. This is really pretty. Absolutely gorgeous home. Plenty of space there for a 70-inch TV. Cabinets go all the way to the top. Beautiful crown. Beautiful built-in shelves. Nice built-in pantry here. Plenty of storage going all the way up to the top. Built-in microwave, love that. Ice maker. 6-burner gas stove. It's a Wolf. Tile goes all the way to the top. Beautiful sink and fixtures. Dishwasher. Got the top rack. And this is a Sub-Zero commercial size fridge. Over here we've got two large bedrooms. This is certainly, there is two primaries in this home, and this acts as one of them. Got the king bed here. You got these two, you do back up to these two little commercial older buildings that have been in Orange Beach for forever, these three buildings right here. There is a gate right down here that will take you right out where you can walk to Beach Road. You know, late night snack at the Waffle House. Very convenient. And then French doors coming into a really pretty bathroom. The listing doesn't say, but I do think these are 12-foot ceilings, 9-foot doors. Love being able to turn this on here and be able to step right in. And this is another really nice size king bedroom. They've got the built-in dresser there, which is actually a pretty nice setup. Only thing I noticed in here, obviously you got your stairs going up there, so it's a little bit lower here. If you had a really tall person in this room, it's a little bit lower there. And then I did notice this piece of wood here is not the same flooring. That's the only thing I noticed in the whole house that didn't seem right. And always nice to have a tub for the little ones. As you know, you've got the little grandkids. Nice herringbone lay in here. And then it's not quite cut perfectly there, but I'm sure they could put some trim or cord around there. Or perhaps just some caulk. Cute picture there. I like the nice wide stairs. Everything feels very spacious. Goes all the way up. Natural light coming in. Got a walk-in laundry here. Plenty of storage up top. And what I've done in my unit that has a lot of storage in the laundry is you can get locks for these. for some of these cabinets and keep owners' things here. AC closet. And then this is going to be the true primary here. You'll see the double vanity when we go in the bathroom. And I'll step out on that balcony here too in just a second. So we got the toilet here, but there's not actually a door. So that's a little odd. You would think that would be a pocket door. Towel rack here. Linen closet here. Going up. Nice, pretty double vanity here. And then gorgeous walk-in shower with 2 shower heads. More windows for natural light to come in. Place for your shampoo and conditioner. And then of course you can turn everything on here. So that's nice. Not much of a closet here for a primary, but it's all you need for a second home. And I'll come back to the balcony. I want to show you the kids' room here. So you got this double bunks going on, and then they built those nice nooks there for personal items, which is really cool. The flat screen here for a TV, and then these guys all pull out. So really nice. They are actual drawers, pull out. So really cool space in here. And another bathroom. So 4 full bathrooms. Nice closet in here. Beautiful crown, attic access there. And we'll go check out this balcony off the true primary. So you're not going to have a deep balcony here, and I'll show you the one off the kitchen here in a minute too. But you do have water views of the Gulf. And there's your beach access, that boardwalk right there. So this was an existing house here. Those are all new houses part of the subdivision. So is this, and so is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 6 homes here. Really like the exterior shaker. It's really pretty. Construction seems really top notch. Oh, you even have water out here. I just noticed that. Electrical outlet there. Here's your for your hurricane covers.
Where the waves meet the shore. Every day's an adventure. Who could ask for more? We're living the beach life. Let us show you around. In Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, where your dreams are found. Where the sun shines bright, your forever home's waiting. Let's make it right. Add your flip-flops and your shades, let's hit the sand.
And then here is the other balcony. Nothing special here, just 2 chairs and a table. But you can sit here and see the Gulf. And this is an existing house. That's a duplex. These houses were all done different builders here.
And a smile to spare. If you're dreaming of sunshine, we'll take you there. From condos to cottages, we'll find your retreat. Let us guide you to a life that's oh so sweet. And welcome to paradise, where the waves meet the shore. Every day's an adventure. Who could ask for?
There you go. You got this awesome beach access.
Let us show you around. In Gulf Shores and Orange Beach, where your dreams are found. Click on the bell and subscribe, don't miss a thing. We've got fun, food, and sunsets.
There's the Gulf front houses there in the subdivision. And here's the private walkway for Ocean's Edge. All right, guys, that is going to do it for our video walkthrough here at a very private, unique subdivision called Ocean's Edge in Orange Beach, Alabama. This is not a through street. This is a very quiet street. You got the deeded beach access with access to 300 feet of sugar white sand. You've got this cute little community pool. We just showed you the only 4-bedroom, 4-bath in this subdivision. The rental potential is off the charts. As you could see, high quality constructions, beautiful finishes. Absolutely love this house and hope you enjoyed this video. If you want rental information, just reach out and contact us. We will be happy to get that for you. We were doing this walkthrough for an out-of-town client. Actually, somebody who's not really interested in renting it, more for a second home. But we're out of season right now, and I don't know if you could tell when I was walking through, but just about all of these houses on both sides have quite a lot of cars in front of them with people checking in here on a Friday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.
Add your flip-flops and your shades, let's hit the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh it feels so right. From sunrise